To create a poll on WhatsApp, simply launch the WhatsApp application on your phone, and then you can go into any private or group chat, open it, and then tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner for iPhone. And then from the options, select poll. And then from the poll, ask your question. And then give the options down there. You can actually go ahead and add up to 12 options. And then when you're done, tap on send, and that's going to send a poll to the recipient or the recipients if it's a group message. And then the members of the group can go ahead and simply select from the poll, and you can actually tap on view votes to see how the people voted on your poll. And that's basically how you can create polls in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and good luck.